Welcome to this step-by-step sunset painting tutorial. In this video you will see how to create a vibrant sunset landscape. Let's break down the details. The painting begins with the soft and smooth gradient in the sky using light blue and white. I started at the top of the paper to represent the higher part of the sky. The colors are blended gently and achieve the calm and airy effect. Next, I introduced warm tone of orange and yellow to minimize and setting up the sunset. I carefully blend these colors to ensure seamless transition and ending with the soft yellow white near to the horizon. To adding the depth to the landscape, I painted light colored mountains in the background using muted tones like pale gray, white and soft lavenders. The real focus of the paintings lies in the foreground, where I painted dark prominent trees. These trees stand out against the colorful sky, creating striking contrast. Using darker shade of the green or black, I carefully shaped the tree to make them look realistic and easy, and I painted the branches and leaves. To capture the light reflecting from the sunset, I added the subtle glow along the edges of the trees. After finishing the main element, I added a few final touches to the painting to balance the composition. A few wipes of light clouds and gently painted to add textures to the sky and small details like textures on the mountains and
To create
subtle
your own
highlights
sunset
on the
masterpiece.
trees and